Hi there, I'm Katie Bavoso from Channel Insider here at PAX8 Beyond 2024, and I am joined by Jason Wright, CEO of AVATAR MSP. Jason, so great to see you again. How you doing?
I'm doing fantastic, and always good to spend time with you and talk about what's going on in the industry.
How long have you been a PAX8 partner?
So I bought this company 2 years ago, and they were already a PAX8 partner. Technically, I've been working with them now for 2 years. Very quickly, we sort of deep dove into their engagement model and found it to be high value. Found their education around the partners in their ecosystem to be very much on point and in depth. And then the sales and account management that we got through our rep. Nicholas Fetzer is actually our rep. He's been our rep from day one. So we haven't had any turnover there, and we get really high value out of the account engagement with Nick and his team. He always knows the right people to bring into the situation, whatever the situation may be, and that's what really exemplifies a good partnership.
So when it comes to talking to other peers about PAX8, is it a company that you would advise them to look into as a partner, a potential partner?
Absolutely. It's kind of like going into heart surgery and not having sort of the defibrillator to keep your body pumping blood throughout an operation. They're really the heart and soul of our operation from a partnership status. Not only is it our go-to-market for licensing, but in terms of really understanding programs, they really go the extra mile to make sure we understand what programs are in place through these different partnerships to help us really better sell and better articulate our value. So absolutely, I would tell folks, everybody needs a good distributor, marketplace partner. PAX8 is a level above the rest of the market in my estimation.
Can you point to any benchmarks as example in which you've grown with PAX8 over the last 2 years at AVATAR?
Absolutely, because we track this pretty closely. When we started the business, we were spending about $5,000 a month with PAX8, and it's been roughly 25 months, almost 26 months since the acquisition, and now we're nearing $50,000 a month in spend with PAX8, so that's a significant uptake.
When it comes to the age of AI, which is what we're living in right now, and the amount of use cases that we're seeing, how does PAX8 help you to be able to engage new AI-related opportunities with your customers?
Well, if you look at any marketplace, whether it's PAX8's marketplace, whether it's Apple, Google Play, any of those stores, there's literally hundreds of new AI applications, and there's more coming into those marketplaces every day. So how can a small business like my own really understand the landscape of the AI marketplace? Who's bringing what features and benefits do we even need to be looking at? What are some of the use cases even for a business like ours? And so with PAX8, they've done the due diligence around and vetted out a lot of those use cases. They've sort of categorized the applications based on applicability and use and how it goes to market. And so they've eliminated a lot of the due diligence footwork. So we can go to our partner rep, and he has a cloud specialist. They'll have an AI specialist within their team, and they're going to know out of maybe 100 of the applications in their marketplace, here's 2 or 3 you should look at, which in terms of time to value for a high growth firm like ours and a CEO is very involved in the business the way I am, that eliminates a lot of the legwork that I have to do around it.